Hello, this is Hero from Leathercraft School. Today, we are diving into day 17 of beginner course. In the previous video, we learned how to attach glove snaps. But how did it go for you? Were you able to attach them? It's common to make mistakes when attaching snaps. One common issue is that the upper and lower parts of snaps are misaligned. As you can see from side view, this is a typical mistake you will encounter at some point when working with snaps. Today, I will share 3 tips to prevent this misalignment. Let's dive in. The first tip is to check the length of the snap post. This is often the main cause of misalignment. The snap post refers to this foot part of the snap. On the male part is this section here. On the female part is this section here. If post is too long compared to the thickness of the leather, misalignment is highly likely. So let's check it out. First, insert the male snap post through the leather and check how far it comes through. The post should come through to the other side about 3 mm or 1/8 inches. This length is optimal for preventing misalignment and ensuring the snap is firmly secured. Once we're done with the male side, let's check the female side. For the female snaps post, I recommend removing the upper part and pressing the snap head from the back. Viewed from this side, the post should slightly come through from the leather. If you ensure the male post is 3 mm or 1/8 inches long, the female post should naturally match up when using leather of the same thickness. But focusing on post length, you can prevent the most of misalignment. Now, I will talk about how to adjust the post length. There are 2 main ways to adjust the post length. Change the leather thickness, or use a different size snap, as larger snaps have longer posts. If you want to use a specific snap size for your project, but want to adjust the length, you can skipe leather or use a laser spacer like this to adjust the post length. Now we are moving on to the second tip. The second tip is to keep the setter straight. Please make sure your snap setter is perfectly upright when attaching snaps. While it might look straight from the front, it's often tilted forward or backward when viewed from the side. Until you're confident, please check the alignment from both angles before setting the snap. The third tip is about tapping with a mallet. As I mentioned in the previous video, please start with gentle taps and gradually increase the force, aiming for about 8 taps total to secure the snap. Here's how it should look when viewed from the side after being set correctly. I think you can see the snaps are perfectly straight with no misalignment. Tapping too few or too many times can cause the snap to misalignment. So please practice until you can consistently attach snaps with about 8 taps. That's all for today. How was it? The most important thing to remember when attaching glove snaps is to pay attention to the length of the post. While today's tip focused on the glove snaps, these techniques are useful when working with other types of snaps as well. By following these 3 tips, you will be less likely to make a mistake when setting snaps. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.